Hello guys, let's learn how to post our pictures with nice backgrounds. Okay, click on your TikTok application and then on that plus button over there, then upload and then bring out a nice background. These are backgrounds I already downloaded. I'll teach us how to download backgrounds in another video. So nice backgrounds, I just choose that one over there. Okay, and then go over to stickers. You see those icons by your right, you see stickers, the second icon there, click it, and then in that first icon there, that's upload a sticker. So now uploading sticker, I choose a picture that I want. Then down there you see remove background, that's where I clicked upload to remove background, and now your picture comes out without any background. You drag it, expand it, place it the way you want it. Okay, and you're good to go. You can see the former background I've left, and now I have my new background. You can now choose a song of your choice, like I'm doing now. Choose a song of my choice, and voila, I go over to next and post my video. Okay, let's quickly try another background and picture. So I go over to upload again and pick another background. Okay, see this background? You can expand it to cover the screen. If it does not, you can see it's now filled. It has now filled the screen. And then I go over to sticker like we did and choose a picture. Upload without background. Okay, and then that's the picture. Extend it, place it very well so that it will not look odd with the background. Okay, see right now the size is not too odd. Then choose your song, and yep, I think which one should I choose here? Yeah, This Woman Is Blessed is perfect for this video or picture. And then I go over to next, and then voila, I post my picture. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, comment, and also follow us for more tutorials. Bye.